keep running it. Keep running your
Now, what's the one? Hey, man, please, don't hit me, man. I'm sorry. Look, I'll do anything. Wait, didn't your boss tell you not to repeat what he says? Well, yeah, but I would. Nah, you repeated exactly what he said seconds ago. So, I should tell him. No, please don't. A boss would be mad at me. You know, I want to get on this good side, and I don't want. Wait a minute. You tricked me. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Now, shut up. Yo, what was that? You just smacked me in my face. What are you talking about? No, with the noise you just made, was just, you know. What? What are you trying to say? Just never mind. Now tell me where the money is. Can you? Gotcha. Oh, what I do? My wife. She's still alive? Please tell me y'all didn't hurt her. Oh, your wife? You ain't even gotta worry about it, bro. We took good care of her. Ain't that right, need money?
I'm gonna be working.
Good care of her. You sick? You really did that to my wife? She's pregnant with my child. If you didn't have a gun pointed at me, I would. Hey, man, calm down. Damn. Like, what do you think we are? Some type of sick monsters? Well, I mean, we technically are because we robbed you and stuff like that. But I mean, we would never do something like that. Like, that's crazy. D-Money only knocked her out, bro. Like, ain't that right, D-Money? Yeah, she knocked out cold in the room. Okay, good. For a second there, I thought y'all did something else. I mean, she was looking kind of thick in there, you know what I'm saying? I was a little tempted, but I didn't. Like, could you really blame me if I did? Because what? Just don't worry about it. Where's the money? I told you already. I don't know where it is. So you still don't want to talk, huh? Okay, I got you. Hey, yo, Bruce, smack him around a little bit. Maybe he'll start talking or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go in the room and look for this money. So do what you gotta do. You feel me? Okay, boss.